Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Chanel show and tell from the Métier Dots collection. Totally sold her that, but this is from the Chanel 20A season release. Alrighty, so we have the box. Here we can see that this is a piece of footwear. Piece of footwear? Whatever, it is footwear. So let's take the cap off of it, shall we? First thing in here is the receipts. I bought this from Saks Fifth Avenue, not the Chanel boutique, so that's why I do not have a camellia and the bows and ribbons and whatnot, so it's all right. Then I have 2 dust bags, which I love. I love when we get 2 dust bags. Here is the care booklet. You guys ready? You probably can guess what it already is due to the box and what's currently going on Instagram and on YouTube, but here we go. And here we have the Chanel combat boot. Ta-da! Isn't she beautiful? Oh my God. I just love her. Oh, that one flew right off, huh? So here we go. Let's get into it. I'm gonna move a little bit closer. Here we have the CC logo, which looks like a brooch to me, but it has the chain and leather detail, which is similar of a flat bag. We also have the same detailing in the shoelace eyelet. Right here we have the crumpled calfskin leather. That's very soft. It feels like a reissue. I asked my sales associate what is the body of the shoe, meaning like right here, and she's unsure, but if I have to just take my guess off of it, touching this and touching the quilting area, it does feel like calfskin. The toe cap has embroidered CC in there. This is goat skin, and the heel cap is goat skin as well. So we have the bottom of the shoe has CC embossed. So we have Chanel embossed right here, so I can leave a solid footprint wherever I go. So this doesn't clip or anything, but it's just an automatic closure. So the tongue of the shoe, I believe, just has like the SKU code of the boot, and inside you can see it says Chanel made in Italy. Unlike the sneakers, the Chanel combat boots do not come with replacement laces. I don't foresee needing to replace laces on this, but it's just food for thought for someone who is a little bit rougher on their footwear. Just to give some eye candy comparison, I have here my Chanel Walk wallet on chain in caviar leather with gold hardware. As you can see, the golds are different hues. I believe the boot is champagne hardware. It's just a lighter color gold versus the yellow shiny gold. So for reference, I am a US 8.5 in women's. European sizes, I'm typically a 39. I've never tried on Doc Martens, but these kind of give off a Doc Marten vibe to me. I have, however, tried on Timberlands and worn them before. So these, I don't want to say they fit like a Tim. They are heavy like a Tim. Timberlands, you size down a half a size. These, I size up a half a size. So kind of rugged like a Timberland, like the bottoms don't really bend, which makes me feel good because I think that it's going to be very durable. Alrighty, so let's just go over pricing. So these boots retail for $1,525. I live in New Jersey. We don't pay any sales tax on anything that we wear, meaning clothing and shoes. So I avoided tax on that. Take a wild guess from what I've read. Others have said that these are a more expensive combat boot that Chanel's come out with. In comparison to the boots that I've seen past seasons, these have a lot more detail. So I guess that's why they would raise the price of these. Moji said that not to worry too much about the leather because the leather is going to be very durable. She just advises against wearing it in extreme weather like heavy rain or snow, which I definitely won't be doing that either. It makes me feel good that this is going to be a durable shoe and it's very well made. Said I live here on the East Coast. I get a couple months for fall and winter that I'll be able to rock these with jeans, leggings, skirts, you name it. I feel like the outfit options with this is going to be endless. And from what I hear about Chanel combat boots, these will survive the test of time. So guys, I've included a clip of me styling these for a summertime outfit. Alrighty guys, this concludes my video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.